Oh, you're there! Wow! Hey girls and guys, it's Mr. here. Welcome back to a new video, and today I decided to go to the skate park in the morning. Yes, I quoted the morning because it's like 10 a.m. It's a morning sesh, but it's late in the morning, but still morning, you know? I just wanted to see how crowded the skate park is going to be at this time. So yeah, let's go eat. So yeah, I finished to eat my breakfast, and yeah, let's go to the skate park. And here we are, my local skate park. Okay, so today I'm gonna try to learn a bunch of tricks, but first we got to warm up. So let's do some chill tricks to warm up right now. I'll start with the whip and bar, and let's go into the skate park. So it's nice and fresh outside the bar. It's been a 180 this one. Gonna try the level 360 flat. There we go. 180 bar. Double whip. Let's go. Front side 180 bar. So weird, so many people watch me. Let's do a fakey invert. Nobody does that. This guy called me to do a rotor whip flat, so here you go, man. Third time's a charm. Okay, so you see that little box and A-frame behind me? Well, I'm going to warm up on this one. And later I'll try to do the rail because I need to progress on that. There we go. Okay, so let's move to the rail because I need to progress a lot there. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do a cannonball fly out, okay? Here we go. I never landed that trick. It's gonna be a new learn for me. Oh, nice! Ah, no! Oh. No! No! Finally! Woo! Yes! Okay, so I forgot to do the outro, and I have a few things to tell you about the new circumstances for riding in France. Mr. President Macron activated a new lockdown for 1 month for now, so therefore I will put some old videos that I did turn a while ago, like this one that you just saw. It was turned 2 weeks ago, and I have 2 other ones. So therefore I'm gonna ride flat for the next month. And yeah, I hope it will be getting better a month later. So it's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, do not forget to like this video. And if you really enjoyed it, do not forget to share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe, it's free. And do not forget to activate the notification bell in order not to miss any of my videos. Ladies and gents, it was Mr. Vig. I hope you are gonna have a good future session. Bye!